hasn't been a very memorable day for Modi. 65 members of parliament have written letters to President Obama urging the US administration to maintain the current policy of denying a visa to Narendra Modi due to his association with the 02 Gujarat riots in which more than 1,000 people were killed. And it's not just members of parliament who've set the cat among the pigeons. Bollywood actor turned BJP politician Shatrughan Sinha has reignited the anti-Modi camp in the BJP. He says Modi cannot become Prime Minister without LK Advani's blessings.
The BJP president and the RSS chief both have banned public comments on party decisions. That was breached again.
You have also said that Narendra Modi cannot become Prime Minister without the blessings of LK Advani. Why do you think that? Why do you think Mr. Modi needs the blessings of Advani?
ऐसे अडवाणी जी को या ऐसे सुषमा स्वराज को उनके साथ इन लोगों को यशवंत सिन्हा, जसवंत सिंह, मुरली मनोहर जोशी ब्लेसिंग्स एंड कोऑपरेशन नहीं लेंगे तो फिर प्राइम मिनिस्टर पद के प्रमोशन, प्रोजेक्शन और प्रोटेक्शन में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ सकेगी.
The tension between pro and anti-Modi factions is palpable, and Sinha's views are being seen as yet another attempt to stall Modi's full-fledged anointment as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate.
माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी विदेश दौरे में हैं. जब लौटेंगे तब उनके बयान पर संज्ञान लेंगे.
Narendra Modi's rivals in the BJP are refusing to remain khamosh. Almost daily they are challenging his acceptability as a face for the party for 2014, almost synchronizing their efforts with Modi baiters in rival outfits who are waging a battle against him from Vadodara to Washington.
And from a salvo within to one without, a December letter signed by 65 MPs to the US President expressing concerns over possibilities of visa to Modi has been resent to counter BJP President Rajnath Singh's ongoing campaign in the US.
After 10 years, what difference you find? What happened now? And it has been proved in the court every day that he is going to be implicated more and more.
The letter is a setback for the BJP and Modi. Not only is it from MPs from 13 parties, it also questions Modi's global acceptability. In New Delhi, Rahul Shrivastava for News First at 10.